Okay, I'm going to do something that I don't normally do. I'm going to pull out my pruning shears in early September. Not an ideal time to prune, but you're going to understand why I'm not afraid to do that with this blackberry. It looks a little rough right now because the floricanes have already died. So any time is okay to prune when you're removing dead tissue. I'm not going to do anything to the primocanes until late winter. And I'm going to be very careful as I remove the floricanes because I don't want to damage any of this young tender tissue. And that's really easy to do if you just cut the floricane at the bottom and you try to drag it out of the trellis. I'm going to take it out in pieces so that I don't damage any of my young tender foliage. There is one other thing you can do pretty much any time. Get these long shoots, help support them a little bit, kind of direct them in the direction that you want them to go, and that might make them survive the winter winds a little bit better. Just going to kind of thread them through here. You can actually tie them up if you like, but that's pretty much all I want to do with my blackberries this time of the year.
Thanks for watching. We have other quick tips. Just subscribe below.